G'day folks, I'm going to show you how to wrap text inside a cell or make text fit inside a cell. So the first thing I'll do, I've got English room 13 in here and you can see it goes over the width of the cell. I don't really want to make my cells any wider, so I want to make this fit. To do that, you can see here we've got this ABC with a little back arrow, and I hover over it and it says wrap text. If I click on a wrap text, you'll see it automatically steps down. Now, that's a great tool to have. Another way to do the same thing is I'll undo the wrap text, is to double click after the first word or after the word that you would like it to step down, and what you do is hold down the Alt key and then hit enter. And then enter one more time, and you'll notice it will do the same thing as a text wrap. What that technique allows you to do is to pick where it's going to step down into the next row.